Hi, I am Bitika Deka and I am going to discuss the country profile of Bangladesh. Bangladesh, officially the People's Republic of Bangladesh, is a country in South Asia. It is the 8th most populous country in the world, with a population exceeding 163 million people in an area of 1,47,570 square kilometers. Poverty is widespread, but Bangladesh in recent years reduced population growth and improved health and education. Dhaka is the capital city and it is the nation's economic, political and cultural hub. Its currency is Taka and the market exchange rate is 84.454 Bangladeshi Taka per US dollar. Bangladesh shares land border with India to the west, north and east, Myanmar to the southeast and the Bay of Bengal to the south. Bangladesh has the world's 39th largest economy in terms of market exchange rate and 29th largest in terms of purchasing power parity, which ranks second in South Asia after India. Bangladesh is also one of the world's fastest growing economy and one of the fastest growing middle income country. The country has a market-based mixed economy. A developing nation, Bangladesh is one of the next 11 emerging markets. According to IMF, Bangladesh per capita income was $1,906 in 2009. Consumer Price Index, in short CPI, growth rate is 5.59%. The GDP in Bangladesh was worth $302.57 billion in 2009, according to official data from the World Bank and projections from trading economists. Current GDP growth rate is 8.6%. The GDP value of Bangladesh represents 0.58% of the world economy, according to 2019 report. It has been growing continuously from last 20 years. The growth rate increased rapidly in the last decade. The lion's share of Bangladesh export is limited to only 10 countries, leaving the country highly dependent on these markets in absence of initiatives to explore new destinations. The 10 countries imported over 71% or $28.89 billion of Bangladesh's total exported goods in just concluded fiscal year, with the United States of America taking the lead with 17% of export shares. According to Export Promotion Bureau, in the fiscal year 2018-19, Bangladesh earned $40.53 billion, of which $28.89 billion or 71.27% of the total exports from the USA, Germany, UK, Spain, France, Italy, Canada, Japan, Netherlands and Poland. Bangladesh's largest importing partners are China, India, Singapore, Indonesia, Hong Kong, US and Thailand. The economy is driven by strong domestic demand. Economic liberalization was introduced in Bangladesh in 1991. The Bangladeshi private sector has rapidly expanded with a number of conglomerates dividing the economy. Major industries include textile, shipbuilding, pharmaceutical, steel, electronics, energy, construction materials, chemicals, ceramics, food processing, and leather goods. Export-oriented industrialization has increased with fiscal year 2018-19. Export is increasing by 10% over the previous year to $40 billion. Most export earnings are from garment manufacturing industry. Bangladesh is the 7th largest natural gas producer in Asia. Bangladesh has one of the world's oldest tea industries and is a major exporter of fish and seafood. Food processing is a major sector in Bangladesh, with local brands like Pran. Their international presence is increasing. Bangladesh has the second highest foreign exchange reserve in South Asia after India. FDI inflows to Bangladesh fell by 11% last year amid a global decline. This took FDI in the country to $2.56 billion in 2020 from $2.87 billion in 2019. If we explore the Bangladesh culture through the lens of the 6D model, we can get a good overview of the deep drivers of its culture related to other world cultures. Bangladesh scores 80 on power distance, which means that people accept a hierarchical order in which everybody has a fixed place. Centralization of power is popular. Subordinates expect to be told what to do, and the ideal boss is a benevolent autocrat. With a score of 20 in individualism, Bangladesh is considered as a collectivistic society. This manifests in a close long-term commitment to the member group, be the family, extended family, or extended relationships. Here, employee-employer relationships are perceived as moral terms. Bangladesh scores 55 on masculinity. In masculine countries, people live in order to work. Managers are expected to be decisive and assertive. The emphasis is on equity, competition, and performance, and conflicts are resolved by fighting them out. In uncertainty avoidance, Bangladesh scores 60 and thus has a high score. They maintain rigid codes of belief and behavior and are intolerant of unorthodox behavior and ideas. Bangladesh has an intermediate score of 47 in long-term orientation. Bangladesh has a very low indulgence score of 20. This makes it a restrained country. People do not put much emphasis on leisure time and controls the gratification of their desires. People with this orientation have the perception that their actions are restrained by social norms and feel that indulging themselves is somewhat wrong. Bangladesh has an impressive track record for growth and development, aspiring to be a middle-income country by its 50th birthday. The World Bank has supported Bangladesh since 1972, providing more than $30 billion in support. In May 2021, the World Bank approved $6 million for two projects in Bangladesh to increase its employability and livelihood opportunities of more than 1.75 million poor and vulnerable people, which includes youth, women, disadvantaged groups, and returning migrant workers, and build their resilience to future shocks like the COVID-19 pandemic. The bullish capital market turned bearish during 2010, with the exchange losing 1,800 points between December 2010 and January 2011. Millions of investors have been rendered bankrupt as a result of this market crash. The crash is believed to be caused artificially to benefit a handful of players at the expense of the big players. Recently, the COVID-19 pandemic has taken a heavy toll on almost all sectors of the economy. It has caused a reduction of exports by 16.93% and imports by 17% in the financial year 2019-2020. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment,